Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz. First, make sure you are connected to your home Wi-Fi. Then, open a web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar at the top, type in your router's IP address. You'll now see a login screen. Enter the username and password. This information is often found on a sticker on the back or bottom of your router. If you've changed the password before and don't remember it, you may need to reset the router to its default settings. After logging in, look for a section called Wireless Settings, Wi-Fi Settings, or WLAN. It might be under Advanced Settings or a similar tab. Once you find it, look for options for wireless frequency or bands. If your router supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz, you'll see both listed. You can choose to disable the 5 GHz band or choose the 2.4 GHz network. Once you make your changes, scroll down and click Apply or Save. Your router might restart. That's it. You've now set your Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz. Thanks for watching.